there, welcome back. Today, we're going to dive headfirst into the world of cryptocurrency.
Oh, yeah.
Specifically, a Solana-based project that has been making some serious waves lately.
Yeah.
JTOs.
It's a really good example of how quickly things can change in this space.
Right.
Like 1 minute, a token is flying under the radar, and the next it's soaring, almost 30% overnight.
Wow.
That's exactly what happened with JTO's native token, JTO.
It's true, and it's really a classic case of what we call the UPBIT effect.
Yeah.
UPBIT,
Right.
a major South Korean cryptocurrency exchange, announced they'd be listing JTO.
Yep.
And the market just went wild.
Oh, you're absolutely right. Exchange listings like this, they're huge for any token.
Yeah.
It signals legitimacy. It opens up access to a wider pool of traders, and it often triggers just a massive surge in demand.
Yeah. And that's what we're seeing right now.
Oh, yeah.
At the time of this deep dive, JTO is sitting at $3.17.
Okay.
It's come down a bit from its peak of $3.49, but that's still a really significant jump.
Yeah.
And the trading volume,
Oh, my God.
it's through the roof.
Crazy.
Up a whopping 425.5%.
I mean, that kind of volume speaks volumes, right?
For sure.
Clearly, people are excited about JTO, but the question is this just hype?
Yeah.
Or is there something more substantial
Right.
behind JTO's rise? To answer that, we really need to take a closer look at what JTO actually is.
I think that's a great idea for those who might be new to this.
Yeah.
JTO is the biggest liquid staking project built on the Solana blockchain.
Okay.
Basically allows users to stake their SOL, Solana's native cryptocurrency,
Right.
and earn rewards in return.
Gotcha.
But what's really impressive is the sheer scale of JTO's operation.
Okay.
We're talking about a total value locked, or TVL,
Yeah.
of 15.12 million SOL.
That's massive. That's $2.6 billion.
Exactly.
Wow. It indicates a really high level of trust
Right.
and participation in the project. Remember, liquid staking is a way to earn passive income on your crypto holdings.
That's right.
And JTO has clearly become a very popular choice for those looking to do just that.
I see what you mean. So we've got this price surge, we've got this massive trading volume,
Yeah.
and we have a project that's already a major player on Solana.
Right.
It's starting to paint a picture of JTO as more than just a flash in the pan.
For sure.
But I think we need to dig a little deeper
Yeah.
into what makes JTO stand out.
Okay.
Back in January, JTO hit a major milestone.
Oh, really?
It became the third largest crypto project by fees generated,
Wow.
raking in a cool $63 million.
That's a significant achievement. I mean, that puts them right up there with giants like Tether and Tron.
It's pretty amazing.
And it's not just about the money.
Okay.
It points to the real utility and value that JTO is providing within the Solana ecosystem.
Yeah, it shows that people are actively using the platform, which is always a good sign.
Definitely.
So let's zoom in on the JTO token itself.
Okay.
It's not just about staking, right?
No. There's more to it than meets the eye.
I was about to say.
Yeah. JTO was launched back in November 2023
Okay.
with a dual purpose.
Interesting.
First, it acts as a governance token,
Okay.
giving holders a say in the direction of the project.
I see.
This is a really key element of decentralized finance,
Yeah.
putting power back into the hands of the community.
That's a big deal. It fosters transparency and allows users to actively participate in shaping the future of the project.
Right. And second, JTO helps improve liquidity
Okay.
for the entire JTO ecosystem, ensuring smooth operation and a healthy trading environment.
So JPO is really interwoven with the very fabric of JTO.
Exactly.
It empowers users, fuels governance, and keeps things running smoothly.
It does.
Now let's shift our focus to the specifics of this game-changing UPBIT listing.
Okay, let's break it down.
All right, so trading on UPBIT officially kicked off on February 21st at 2:30 p.m. Korean Standard Time,
All right.
opening JTO up to a whole new market of traders using the Korean won.
And to ensure a smooth and stable launch, UPBIT implemented some temporary restrictions.
Oh, okay, like what?
They limited buy orders for the first 5 minutes.
Oh, okay.
And put some limitations on certain order types for an hour.
I see.
It's a common practice to prevent wild price swings
Yeah.
and potential manipulation during those initial moments.
Makes sense. It creates a more level playing field
Right.
and protects everyone involved.
Exactly.
But here's the million-dollar question on everyone's mind.
Okay.
What does this UPBIT listing mean for JTO's future?
Right.
Is this a temporary spike
Yeah.
or a sign of something much, much bigger?
That's the question, isn't it?
It is.
Is this just a blip on the radar, or are we witnessing the start of JTO's meteoric rise over on our YouTube channel,
Yeah.
CoinTalk Podcast.
Like it.
We have videos that delve into this further.
Yeah.
You definitely don't want to miss those.
I couldn't agree more.
Yeah.
It's a topic that deserves a deeper dive, and we covered extensively on our YouTube channel.
We do.
But for now, we're laying out the foundation.
Right. So, with JTO now listed on UPBIT, could JTO realistically become a billion-dollar project?
It's certainly within the realm of possibility. I mean,
Right.
we've seen stranger things happen in the crypto world.
That's true.
But this raises an important question
Okay.
that we need to consider carefully.
Okay, now this is where it gets really interesting. But before we get to that,
Yeah.
don't forget to like this video and subscribe to CoinTalk Podcast for more deep dives like this.
Yes, please do.
And while you're at it, share this video with your friends and leave a comment below.
We love hearing what you think.
We really do. Community engagement is what makes this so exciting.
Absolutely.
Now back to that question.
Right.
If we connect this to the bigger picture, how might JTO's success impact the broader Solana ecosystem?
Ooh, good point. That's a really important angle to consider, and we'll definitely explore that in a bit. But first,
Yeah.
a quick reminder to check out CoinTalk Podcast on YouTube
Yes.
for even more in-depth analysis and discussions about the crypto world.
You won't regret it. Now,
Back to that question
yeah.
about JTO and the Solana ecosystem.
Okay.
What are your thoughts on that?
Well, Solana has been working really hard to position itself as a leading platform in the blockchain space.
Right.
And the success of projects like JTO, I think, could be a real catalyst
Yeah.
for its growth.
I see what you mean.
Yeah.
If JTO continues to gain traction,
Yeah.
it could attract more developers, more users, more innovation,
Right,
like
yeah.
a real snowball effect.
Exactly. It's like a rising tide
Yeah.
that lifts all boats.
I like that.
JTO's success could ripple outwards,
I see.
strengthening the entire Solana ecosystem.
And a stronger ecosystem means more opportunities for investors like you.
Speaking of investors, over on our YouTube channel,
Oh, yeah.
CoinTalk Podcast,
Love it.
we get a lot of questions about how to evaluate crypto projects.
Sure.
We've got some really helpful videos on that, so be sure to check those out
Please do.
and subscribe for more.
Yeah. It's all about making informed decisions.
Right. And we try to provide the tools and insights
Uh-huh.
to do just that.
But let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Mm-hmm.
It's important to remember that the crypto market
Oh, yeah.
is notoriously volatile.
It is. We've seen projects just skyrocket one day
Oh,
and
yeah.
crash back down to earth the next.
Absolutely.
So while JTO's recent surge is definitely exciting,
Yeah.
it's crucial to approach it with a balanced perspective.
Right.
There are no guarantees in this space.
I mean, that's why we do these deep dives, to help you cut through the hype,
Yeah.
understand the fundamentals,
Right.
and make informed decisions.
We break down these complex topics
Yeah.
into bite-sized pieces
Right.
so you can confidently navigate the world of crypto.
It can be pretty confusing for new people,
It can be.
but we try to make it fun.
Absolutely. And remember, we're always here to answer your questions.
Yeah.
Leave a comment below.
Yeah.
Or on any of our videos over on the
CoinTalk Podcast.
CoinTalk Podcast YouTube channel.
Wow.
We love interacting with our community.
We really do. So to bring it back to JTO, what are some key factors to watch
Okay.
as we assess its long-term potential?
Well, first and foremost, keep an eye on the continued growth and development of the JTO platform itself.
Okay.
Are they delivering on their roadmap?
Yeah.
Are they attracting new users? Are they innovating and staying ahead of the curve?
All good points. And of course, we'll be watching JTO's price action closely.
Of course.
Will it hold on to these gains? Will it climb even higher? Or will we see a correction?
Those are the million-dollar questions. And don't forget about the broader market trends.
Right.
The crypto market is heavily influenced by Bitcoin.
Mhm.
So it's essential to keep an eye on what's happening there as well.
Right. It's like a giant interconnected web with everything influencing everything else.
Precisely. That's why staying informed and doing your research is so crucial.
Yeah.
Don't just rely on headlines and hype.
Right.
Dig deeper.
Which is exactly what we're doing here.
We are.
But let's not forget about the human element.
Oh, yeah.
The team behind JTO plays a huge role in its success.
Absolutely. A strong team with experience, vision, and a solid track record can make all the difference. And just as important is their transparency and communication with the community.
Right.
Are they open about their plans and challenges? Do they engage with their users?
These are all great questions to consider. Now, I'm curious to hear what our listeners think.
Yeah.
What do you see as the biggest opportunities and challenges facing JTO right now?
Head over to the CoinTalk Podcast YouTube channel and let us know your thoughts in the comments.
Yeah.
We really want to hear your perspective.
We love getting your insights and predictions.
Yeah.
Now, as we wrap up this deep dive into JTO,
Okay.
let's zoom out and think about the bigger picture.
All right.
What does this UPBIT listing tell us about the evolving landscape of the crypto market?
It's a fascinating question. Are we seeing increased institutional adoption?
Are we moving towards a more regulated and mainstream crypto environment?
These are the trends shaping the future of crypto. It's a dynamic space.
And staying ahead of the curve is essential.
And the best way to stay ahead of the curve is to subscribe to CoinTalk Podcast on YouTube.
Yes.
And hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode.
We're constantly releasing new videos covering all things crypto.
Yeah.
From market analysis to in-depth project deep dives like this one.
We break down complex topics
We do.
in a clear and engaging way so you can walk away feeling informed and empowered to make your own decisions.
That's the goal.
Whether you're a seasoned crypto pro or just starting out,
Right.
CoinTalk Podcast is your go-to resource for all things crypto.
Is.
We aim to be your trusted guides
Well, I do.
in this exciting and ever-changing world.
Absolutely.
Now, before we wrap things up completely,
Yeah.
let's leave our listeners with something to ponder.
Right.
We've talked a lot about the potential for JTO to reach a $1 billion market cap.
We
This
have.
is an exciting prospect.
Yeah.
But what would it take for JTO to truly break into the top tier of crypto projects?
What kind of innovation or adoption would be needed to see JTO mentioned alongside household names like Bitcoin and Ethereum?
It's a thought-provoking question,
It is.
and one we encourage you to explore further. Think about the factors we've discussed today. The technology, the team, the market trends, the overall adoption.
And as always, we'd love to hear your thoughts and predictions.
We would.
Head over to the CoinTalk Podcast YouTube channel
Yes.
and join the conversation.
Yeah, it's a challenge worth considering. What would it take for a project like JTO to truly reach those heights? To become a household name in the crypto world? It's a fascinating question, one that really highlights the incredible potential of this space.
Absolutely. It's a reminder that we're still in the early days of crypto and the landscape is constantly shifting. What seems impossible today
Right.
could very well be reality tomorrow.
That's the beauty of it, right?
Yeah.
The constant evolution, the innovation, the sense that anything is possible. And it's exciting to see projects like JTO.
Pushing the boundaries, exploring new frontiers, and paving the way for others to follow.
Exactly. They're the pioneers, the trailblazers.
Right.
And their journey is a testament to the ingenuity and creativity that's driving this crypto revolution forward.
And who knows, maybe one day we'll be doing a deep dive into your groundbreaking crypto project.
Oh, I would love that. If you're working on something exciting, we want to hear about it. Drop us a line in the comments on our YouTube channel,
Yes.
CoinTalk Podcast.
Gotta plug it.
We're always on the lookout for the next big thing in crypto.
We are. We love hearing from our community and learning about the incredible things you're building.
Yeah.
But for now, let's wrap things up with a quick recap of our JTO deep dive.
Okay, sounds good. We started by examining JTO's incredible surge, almost 30%,
Right.
after the UPBIT listing announcement. And we explored how exchange listings can act as major catalysts for token value.
And then we delved into the heart of JTO,
Right.
highlighting its role as the biggest liquid staking project on Solana, with a staggering $2.6 billion total value locked.
And we didn't stop there. We dug into JTO's impressive revenue generation,
Yeah.
showcasing its real-world utility and placing it alongside some of the biggest names in crypto.
And finally, we connected JTO's success to the broader Solana ecosystem,
Right.
contemplating the potential ripple effects and the implications for the future of this dynamic blockchain platform.
It's been a whirlwind tour of JTO,
It has.
and we've covered a lot of ground.
We really have. We've explored the technology, the market dynamics, the potential risks and rewards,
Yeah.
and the broader implications of this really exciting project.
So what's the key takeaway from all of this? What should you, our listeners, be thinking about as you navigate the crypto landscape?
I think the main message is this simple: keep your eyes on JTO.
Yeah.
This is a project with momentum, a clear vision, and a dedicated community.
And as we've seen today, it's a project that's capable of generating excitement, attracting investment, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of decentralized finance.
But remember, as with any investment, do your own research, understand the risks, and make informed decisions that align with your personal financial goals.
And the best way to stay informed, to stay ahead of the curve, and to continue learning about this exciting world of crypto is to subscribe to CoinTalk Podcast on YouTube and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode.
We're here to guide you to break down complex topics and to help you navigate this ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency.
We are.
So until next time, happy investing and stay curious.